Hi, how are
Hi,
you today?
how are you today? I'm fine. Welcome to one of our many city parks here in Whitby, Ontario. This is West Lynn Creek, meandering down below.
Nestled among Collin Park.
It used to be the miniature village 10 years ago, 20 years ago, a long time ago. Yeah, 20 years ago.
So we're going to take you there.
You bet that water's clear.
This is where our inspiration comes from. The way the rocks and the water flows seamlessly along the banks of the river. The sound of nature and how the water brings life to the banks of the river. The log carpeted with moss, the boulders anchored in the middle of the stream. And it seems like the stream just goes on forever. Isn't it a wonder how nature just takes care of itself?
This small acreage of cedars, which engulfs the Miniputt Range, looks like it's dying off, but in fact, the canopy is quite green and fills in throughout the summer, providing lots of shade. Isn't that a lovely golden cedar? And there are paved pathways also for everybody to use without any issues at all. Spring has certainly had a long, cold start. Rains and blowing wind just about every day this week. Back in the day, that's a long time ago, this was a wading pool for children. Buildings and park amenities. It was very nice. At one time, this was a concrete mini-putt course with fairways, supposed greens, obstacle courses, in amongst the cedars at Collin Park. Long, long time ago. At Galaxy Park. The park has been enjoyed by thousands of visitors every summer, even though the attractions have closed decades ago.
We have the entire park to ourselves today.
Yeah, I've seen a couple of people.
This is called the Eagle Bridge.
Yeah, let's not drop the phone.
Everything looks dormant right now in the spring season, but as the weather warms up, the forest floor will come alive. There's a sense of peace just listening to the sounds of nature.
Back in the day, a children's live theater was in the valley below, nestled in amongst the cedars to the left here, as you can see.
These emerald green cedars are majestic. They're one of my favorite in the landscape. So you're going to say thanks for coming along with us?
I'm going to say, wasn't this a nice walk in the park? Join us next time. We'll go take you to another park. Bye. Happy spring
From this garden place?
from this garden place.